My name is Muhammad Amru Nabil from Prodi D3 Akuntan Politeknik Harapan Bersama Tegal.
Hey, first, I just want to tell you I'm not a pro player,
because I saved my nation from falling apart.
but this is my lovely old game. Mobile Legends have a lot of hero roles. This video, I want to tell you about
Because I saved my
hero
nation from
new
falling
season. Player MOBA called this hero is DSS.
because I saved my nation from
Every
falling
hero
apart.
in Mobile Legends have a passive. And I just share what I know to you guys about DSS passive. You can go to practice mode.
Welcome to Mobile Legends!
Set the level of hero
5
and
seconds
will
till the
it.
enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them! All troops deployed!
And 3, go to Lord.
Rain down the fire! Our victory will be decisive.
You have to know, passive YSS will on if the sword and arrow take turn attacking each other. For that, pull the analog forward to do a sword attack, then along with the basic damage button. After that, drag the analog to the backhand to do an arrow attack, and together with the basic damage button. Do this 10 points fast.
Duty, honor, and homeland.
The goal is to alternate attack more often, but sword and arrow, the passive YSS will on and the attack damage is high.
Short, in the money pop shop, fuck a living and paper gon' smell blood tread. Every minute road, way when the people no feel. When I hit it, every time I see a beat, I done hit it to the kid and nobody give a fuck about the rules. Me to get a problems of a two, I'm a dude, but my youngest no boo. When I'm spinning they skate, I didn't fuck again.